Hey guys, so today we're gonna be doing a satisfying slime video. So here we go. Here, so these are my feet, but don't mind those. Stop. That's a Nyla. Stop. So this is the first slime. It's a clear pink. A Nyla. It's a clear pink, light pink clear slime. So let's poke it.
Light pink clear slime.
Let's poke it.
No, we also have. Can I go
Wait,
next?
yeah, sure. You just give me the slime you want.
No,
No. You just
do it.
No, you can do it next. Okay, so this is pretty nice. It feels like one of those, like, really good. And that's the swirl. They're calling your name, Nithya.
Hey.
Okay, now let's put it back in the box. Okay. Next up we have some jelly slime, and the jelly slime is going to be inside a pitcher. Get it. So here's the jelly slime. Now let's put it in the pitcher. Here, that's a frying pan. We're gonna put it in this. Okay, so let's put it in.
Here, you can play with it.
We have a glass of jelly slime. Now let's pour it out. And now let's put it back into its unicorn mold.
It's better now. Like, I can move it. It's not that bad.
And now let's review this clear one. So it's clear. It has some bubbles because I was playing with it earlier. So
yeah. Now.
Look at how stretchy. That is so stretchy. And then you know it has a lot of bubbles when it turns a little bit metallic. And then that's when it's ready to swirl. Okay. Hey, now Archie will pick up. No, I'm not going. So next up we have a violet clear with a few bubbles.
One of you guys. It's for 5 seconds. Just come.
Okay, wait. This is gonna be our last line.
Okay, Anara, you want to stay down. Okay, you can come. I don't really care.
It's a little bit rippy, but mostly stretchy. And it is metallic now. There you go. And that'll be the end of this video, guys. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.